Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this training. There's a case study, isn't it? So thank you for joining me on this. We've actually set everything up, but and what I'm going to do in today's video is just check that the actual funnel is set up, and I'm going to explain a couple of things, and then in the next video we will send traffic to the funnel. What I need to do is I need to check that everything's working. So I'm going to go into my list. I'm going to go into the email series rather. And I was right the first time. I'm going to go into the list manager, and I am going to click on this. This is the subscriber here. This is actually me. I signed up for it. I'm going to delete that because I want to go back in and check it again and explain how the whole system works, just to make sure that you have got everything set up before you send the traffic to it, because otherwise you might lose some commissions. So let me log out. I need to go to the page. So let me go to the page manager. Now the page you're going to promote is the capture page. It's also known as the sales page, so we will get that link here, capture page link. Now this is the link that you're going to use to promote the funnel, and just copy that and paste it into your notepad. Do remember we had our notepad with all our different links in it, and I'm just going to paste it into this box. Because there was capture pages there, right? That's the page that you're going to use to promote the funnel to get people on your list. And what's going to happen is these stats will appear. Now these have only appeared because I've signed up for it, because I was checking it. But if you go into the stats button here, you can actually see that these the traffic came from Lead Sleep, and that was actually just me testing it. And we've got one action here, which means we've got one sign up, which was actually me. But what we're going to do is I'm going to reset that before I send the traffic. The next thing I'm going to do is just explain the actual sales funnel again, just to make sure we've got everything all set up and we're all on the same page. So customers will go through to this page here, and then they'll sign up using this form. So let's just say it was James, and his email address is... Now I did actually go over this in the previous video, but I'm going over this one last time just to make sure that we've got everything set up. Because there was a section of this training where I did actually ask you to go to another training bar. Yeah, so that's fine. Right, so we've signed up, we've received our welcome message, emails, and check for the welcome message. Okay, because we want to check this to make sure that I've set the signature up properly as well. Okay, and that's the message here. So I'm just going to click on this, and that's the logo, and that's the welcome message. So that looks really good. So let me just click on that to activate the subscription. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Close this box and go back to my inbox, and we've received the welcome message. That automatically happens when you activate the subscription. So I'm just going to click on that and check this, and there's the signature there. And remember, we've done that in the last message, and as you can see, this is perfect. So we've got our logo, we've got the signature where people can join me on YouTube. You could probably make this text a bit bigger, but that's fine. Click the link to get started, and that will just take us to the steps page first. Join the 5 traffic sites below. make sure you've got your Lead Sleep link set up here. So if I click on that, for example, and then I look at this browser, it does actually have my affiliate link there, so I know that that's set up properly. So I can close that. That's set up properly. It's important to make sure these are all set up properly, otherwise you don't get the link. Join my lead gen secret. I am going to, in the next video, we will actually promote this, so I will be using these sites to promote them, and that will make sure that they're actually set up properly as well. So make sure you've joined State of the Art Mailer and you've put your link in there. Free advertising for you and prosperity. The prosperity marketing system is not necessarily a traffic generation thing, it's more to get affiliate sales. So you're not using this to advertise as such. You just want people to join so that you can receive the commissions for that, and that's monthly subscription. And then you've got your sponsors recommended sites as well, and then you can continue to the training area. Make sure that that link actually goes to your training page so people can go here and they can set that up, set up the funnel. Remember to watch these videos as well. Even though I've went through this, it's best to go through it again just to make sure. Okay, because this does go into a lot more detail about getting traffic. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It's all set up and we are ready to get traffic to this page. So join me. It's just a quick video today, really, just to make sure that everything was set up, and it is. So join me in tomorrow's video where we will send traffic to the funnel, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.